Action in Java server page. In this lesson, we shall look at the convenient approach to create and manipulate Java beans, and how can we include certain files without copying and pasting certain information for multiple times. This example here is referring to redirect1.jsp. You need to open this file. When you have opened it, please scroll the file until you find tags that are highlighted in the yellow box as shown in the screen. The pattern of these tags are different from the ones that we have seen earlier on. These tags are known as JSP Action tag. The purpose of JSP useBean is to create a new object from the class of movie. ID here is referring to the name of the object, whereas scope equal to page indicate that the object movie is to be used within the redirect1.jsp only. Creating new object and manipulating the value of the object is a common process in object-oriented programming. The useBean tag is used to manipulate Java Bean object. A Java Bean object is a Java class that have at least one private member with getters and setters, and it is serialized. The useBean here is similar to how we used to create Java object in our Java codes. In JSP, we opted for useBean for convenience. It made our codes more elegant and neat. The second action tag is setProperty. This setProperty is to give value to member or attribute of the object. In our example, we are giving value to movie ID from the value that we retrieve from request.get parameter. The code in setProperty tag is similar to movie.setMovieID. We are still in redirect1.jsp. Please scroll until you see another action tag as shown in the yellow box here. This is another action tag that we use in this page called include. The purpose of this tag is to include another page or another file. In this case here, I am including a file named moviemenu.jsp. You might want to open moviemenu.jsp. Moviemenu.jsp shall display the user's name and two web links that represent the menu to access to the main page and a page that shows a list of movie. And I want this menu to appear in all pages that is related to movie management. You can find similar tags in movies.jsp and details.jsp.